All right, we're about to go through the exact same test that I did with this little guy right here, that little guy, but now we're gonna test using this guy here. So here we go. Remember, this has to go to 29, negative 29.9 before it starts reading into microns. As soon as it reads into microns, then it'll jump up here. Let me link the tool, link, then the micron reading will start, and we'll record like the first test. We'll do 3 minutes and see where it gets into 3 minutes, because it took that little vacuum pump took 3 minutes to get down to roughly 1,000 microns. And we're gonna do, and we'll stop. And then I'll turn off the vacuum and let it do a vacuum decay to 9 minutes, just like the other test when performed with the 2 CFM vacuum pump. So let's go. Starting 1, 2, go. I think we started at the 1 minute mark exactly. On my video camera, it said 1 minute. So we're gonna see when this hits 29. Oh, no, not quite yet. Almost did it. There it goes. It's into the micron. So now this will start right now, and you'll watch that start. See how it goes down? So instead of this 2 CFM vacuum pump, we are now using the 12 CFM vacuum pump. So what is the difference? Remember, the 2 CF vacuum pump went out to 3 minutes, and at 3 minutes it hit 998 microns. So let's say a rough 1,000 microns at the 3 minute part. So now we're going to use this 12 CFM, and we're going to go to the 3 minute mark, because that is where it leveled out and it just started going sideways. It wasn't going to do anything more for a real long time. So we're going to see where this one goes at 3 minutes. This one will probably level out after about 1.5 minutes, and it'll get somewhere down in the 200 micron range, in that range, 200-300. Let's see where this one starts going horizontal. Okay, you can see we're in the microns. There. Okay, now it looks like we're starting to go horizontal, where its rate of fall will start decreasing, and we're at 1 minute and almost 1.5 minutes, and we're at 353 microns. But remember, 1,000 microns, which is right there, see right there, in about 20 seconds of record time, we were down to 1,000 microns. And the little guy took 3 minutes to get there. We're still not at the 3 minute mark. We're coming up on the 2 minute mark. Okay, there's 2 minutes right there. We're at 311 microns. You see that the rate of fall is slowing down quite a bit. That's its calculated rate of fall, and so its calculation was at 53 microns in a minute, and I hit it roughly at just a hair over the 2 minute mark. And so if it's 53, it should be, say, 200 and let's say 270 microns by the time it hits the 3 minute mark. There's that in there. Where are we at? Oh, there's 282. Do we hit 270 by the 3 minute mark? And you see, as you get down farther, the rate of fall decreases, because it takes more and more energy. The farther you go down, it's exponential. It's not a linear thing. Okay, here we go on the 3 minute mark. 274 microns. Okay, so that's at the 3 minute mark. Now I'm gonna turn off the vacuum, and we're gonna wait to the 9 minute mark and see where the vacuum decay is. And this will be the difference comparing the 2 micron vacuum pump to the 12 micron vacuum pump. So you're going to see this just skyrocket up, and then it'll level out. And so I'll come back with a snapshot after this hits the 9 minute mark. I'll take a screenshot, and just like the first post with the 2 CFM, I'll snapshot that.